Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down hardware that can actually deliver near-zero latency. Plug a certified HDMI 2, one cable into both devices, and set the display to its lowest latency game or PC mode. Once done, switch the console and display to 120Hz or 240Hz if supported, because higher refresh reduces time between frames. Finally, connect your controller with a USB-C cable. Wired input removes wireless polling and RF latency. Make sure power-saving features are off so nothing sleeps mid-session. Now you tune both console and display for absolute responsiveness. In Xbox settings, pick 120Hz output and performance mode to force the lowest render latency. Avoid upscaling or frame smoothing. On your TV or monitor, disable motion interpolation, dynamic contrast, and any image processing that adds frames. Also turn off HDR tone mapping and console overlays, since software compositing can add milliseconds. Once these are set, confirm your display shows a consistent 120 frames. Finish by validating your setup. Use a latency tester or a high-speed camera at 240 frames per second to measure input-to-pixel time. If you still see measurable delay, systematically swap the HDMI port on the TV, try a different HDMI 2. One cable and a different USB-C cable, and test on another low-lag display to isolate the culprit. Make sure no background captures, party overlays, or streaming apps are active. If problems continue, reboot both devices and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.